Welcome to Tecnia TV. I am Dr. Shambhoo Saran Gupta, Assistant Professor in Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. In last class, we have discussed approaches to research. Today, we will discuss about media research, meaning and scope. We know media research is the study of the effects of the different mass media on social, psychological, and physical aspects. Research survey that segments the people based on what television programs they watch, radio they listen, and newspaper magazines they read. It includes achievements and effects of media and a study about the development of media. It includes the method used in collecting and analyzing information in regard to newspapers, magazines, radio, television, and cinema, digital and social media, and internet, along with traditional media. Media research may also be called as audience research. It provides information regarding the popularity and effectiveness of each medium of mass communication and the comparative position of the cost of media. This facilitates the selection of the most suitable media mix for the benefit of the media users. Media research also investigate that which newspaper or magazine consumers read and or which radio or television program they listen to or watch as a part this specific type of survey. Hence, media research is the study of information related to any form of mass communication. Media includes television, radio, newspaper, magazines, cinema, outdoor media, traditional media, advertising, public relations, digital media, social media, and internet are also considered mass media if they have a wide enough reach. Now we will discuss about importance of media research. Many businesses are trying to target advertising, but some people are also concerned with the well-being of a much plugged in society. Business study mass media to see which form of mass media produces the greater result for its advertisement. In contrast, from a public health standpoint, studies have been performed to see what kind of effect watching TV violence has on children. From these studies, parents and educators know that watching too much violence on TV may make children more violent. Media research for business focus more on conversion, the number of people watching or reading a mass media form and then turning into customers. The competition among different media for audience share and advertising revenue has led to growth of research. Now media research has grown to highly sophisticated. It utilizes long-range plans. Research is in a way a tool in the management by objective process. There is an increasing dependency on data to support the decision making process. Even program producers also seek relevant research data to develop the creative side of their program. This is important as the numbers found through media research helps the business decide whether a certain form of advertising is financially worth it. Likewise, producers of media products like TV program, radio program, or newspaper magazine contents are also conduct media research to find out that which program or channel is most liked by the media users. Accordingly, they plan future productions. Media research data is used to persuade potentially customers to buy products and services. The advertisers used research studies to know their target audience in a better way and reach them using an effective medium. Mass media research for health and well being reasons is important as scientists are still learning about how technology is affecting people in both positive and negative ways. For example, with the increasingly prevalent use of smartphones, some scientists are concerned that the increased exposure to radiation will negatively impact people's health. Harold Laswes studied the nature of propaganda from a stimulus response point of view. He thought that media could exert very powerful influence over their audiences. Some experts were of the opinion that mass communication to be effective need only transmit message to an audience. By doing so, they would produce pre-planned and almost universal effect. This concept was later named as hypodermic needle model of communication. The model is deficient in one very significant respect that it did not take into account the individual differences among people. Now we will discuss about areas of media research. Media research studies can be major categorized such as print media, electronic media, advertisement and public relations, internet, websites, digital and social media. Scope of media research: media practitioners, policy designers, strategists, communicator and journalists have been looking for the valuable research finding which can make them more effective in their endeavors. Media scholars are trying to work out their priorities or research keeping in view the various research areas. Elements of communication process as an of media research study are: number one, source analysis. The source analysis is conducted on two aspects, that is individual and as a source and channel as a source. Individual as a source can be analyzed to know the communication pattern, attitude, knowledge, social system, culture of the society broadcasted through various mass media channels and channels. As a source can be analyzed to know the availability of media channels like radio, television, newspaper, magazine, internet, cable network, etc. Second, message analysis. The analysis of message is performed in the way like contents, way of expression, structure and treatment of message, coding and decoding pattern, etc. Third, channel analysis. Channel is a medium or instrument through which communicators sends the message to the audience to get the feedback, such as radio, television, picture, photographs, films, internet, mobile phones, newspapers, magazines, posters, outdoor publicity, materials, etc. Fourth, audience analysis. Collection of analytical and critical information regarding the reach, accessibility, exposure, composition, and environmental context of media in relation to potential target audience in known as audience research. Audience is the receiver of the message and all efforts are designed to reach him so that he interprets properly, understanding and act upon the message. Composition of audience covers a wide aspects. Composition can be classified as demography, social status, culture, economic status, language, literacy level, marital status, ethnic status, attitude, media reach and accessibility, need, lifestyle, leisure hours, working hours, entertainment, time, etc. Fifth, process, effect and impact of research. Following the process research, we may find that the message delivered to the target audience has started showing certain change in them. There is change in knowledge, skills, and attitude of the audience. This is ultimately coming out as a change in behavior. This change in behavior is called effect research. The impact study is done on a certain subject to understand the cause and effect relationship. Impact studies find data from many different sources and often look at many different aspects of the issues. In terms of media, research study the effect is a short-term change, but if it continue, it will eventually turn as a habit of the audience and would stay as long effect, that is impact. Thus, it is called as impact research. I hope you understand all this topic. For more videos, like and subscribe Tecnia TV